Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Let's share OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion, let me thank all of you for supporting that particular video by giving the likes. There are still people who dislike the video after writing so much, half an hour, and shooting the video, then editing the video, then uploading the video. I do not say anything like that, but you supposed to appreciate. Even education videos are being disliked. It's okay. So whosoever are my ardent students, they supposed to like the video because it boosts the motivation of the educator. And in this video I am going to tell about 2-3 people have emailed me regarding the especially about inquiring about test series. Cannot be directly go and appear the without appearing test series. Sandeep Kumar Patnaik, then Sangram Sahu, then Rajnikant Mohapatra. 2-3 people have emailed me. I will tell you what is the problem if you will do that. जदि आपण डायरेक्टली प्रैक्टिस न करी डायरेक्टली आपण जिबे एग्जाम देबे तो आपण को बहुत बड़ प्रॉब्लम फेस करबा को पड़िबो. स्पेशली डू नॉट टेक ए चांस. आई विल नॉट एडवाइज यू टू टेक ए चांस. से फॉर एग्जांपल आपण केबे गोटे ओलंपिक रेस रे पार्टिसिपेट करबा को जाउछंती. ओलंपिक इज अराउंड द कॉर्नर, सो आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ ओलंपिक्स. जदि आपण गोटे ओलंपिक खेलिबा को जाउछंती, ओलंपिक पूर्वरु बहुत गुडिए आपण को क्वालिफाइंग राउंड करबा को पड़े. इवन इन द ओलंपिक आल्सो बिफोर द फाइनल रेस देयर आर सो मेनी हिट रेसेस. You are getting my point? So you shouldn't undermine the role of practice. Practice is very important. I am telling you. Practice makes a man perfect. There is a old saying. There is a old saying that is practice makes a man perfect. But the new saying is perfect practice makes a perfect man. परफेक्ट इवन प्रैक्टिस रे भी जो परफेक्शन आनियार अछि, जो मु लास्ट वीडियो रे आपन को कहितली कि आपन डेली रूटीन कोन होबा दरकार. सो परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस करंतु जोटा कि आपन सिखि परिबे. माइकल फेल्प्स, ही वाज ए ओलंपिक चैंपियन. He won before. I will tell you one incident of Michael Phelps. Before the exact Olympics, he did a press conference. In that press conference, he said, I am going to win all the gold medals in all the categories in which I will participate. 1 year before, can you imagine a Olympian coming and telling that he will win all the gold medals? Because there is international level competition. You do not know what is the preparation level of other contestants. So that is the, you can say the power of that particular person mentally as well as his practice, confidence in his practice. And finally he won all the 8 gold medals because he said, when in an interview somebody asked him about why he won this, he said, I never lost a practice session. Even in the worst of situation, there was a total snowfall, still he on 2 or 3 means there was a incident happened after this press conference he did that I will win all the gold medals, and there was a accident happened to him and he was unable to use his hands. Still he said to himself, no, I will do it. He started practicing from his legs. So you can imagine you can say level of dedication he was having to get the gold medal. His doctor, his physio, his coach, everybody said no, don't do practice because it can further hamper your health condition. But this particular guy, Michael Phelps, he didn't leave a practice session. He started using his legs more than his hands, and finally he won the gold medal. So I will tell all of you, have the dedication of Michael Phelps. प्रैक्टिस आपण लूज करंतुनी. मु काई कहली कि 40 दिन अछि माने 35 दिन अछि, आपण डेली प्रैक्टिस करंतु. इफ यू डोंट वांट आवर टेस्ट सीरीज, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग हाई क्वालिटी टेस्ट सीरीज, 40 हाई क्वालिटी टेस्ट. If you want, you can directly do the practice every day. If you don't do our practice, our test series, then join somebody else's test series. whosoever you think that is giving you good value. So you have to do it religiously for another 35 days. It is going to help you out. And आउ गोटे इंपोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट कौन बहुत गुडी ईमेल आसुची टेस्ट सीरीज पई तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी because it is a time consuming every email I have to answer. So I have made it simplified how you can get our test series. I have already put a QR code in the community section. So do scan it directly. You can pay the 599 rupees and send the screenshot to the payment number or to my email address abisoi27@gmail.com. And say mentioning your WhatsApp number in which you want all the 40 PDF delivered. So it is very simple. And if you do not have any of this payment method, let me know in my email address. Sir, I do not have this payment method. How can I get the 40 series? Then I will give you my account details and IFSC code. And for all of you, do watch my informative series whenever you get time, because that is going to be very helpful. One question directly or indirectly will come from that, and my community post. I am giving high quality MCQ in community post too. So these are very, very important. Do not underestimate this. So this was all about a big practice that you have to do, test series practice. And right now it is not the time for doing sectional set like history only, geography only sets. You have to do full length practice. So that is important. That's why we are providing full length 40 full length high quality sets. So do it will help you. Thank you very much. Happy learning.